Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Oven Recipes, and tonight I'm going to cook up some hot wings from frozen in the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. So we'll see how this cooks up some frozen hot wings right now. Alright, so here we have our NuWave Primo Grill Oven, and we've got some hot and spicy wings. So going to get some of these out and we're going to see what happens. Let's see, I don't know if I'll get 8 or 10. Get some out of here. Get one down there. I'm trying to arrange them nicely on those grates so they can have a nice sear. Get some nice sear marks on these wings. This oven works pretty nice. I'm getting sear marks on things. So maybe I'll just do a 9-piece, kind of between 8 and 10. So a few more here. Looks like I got a number of flats. You can let me know in the comments if you prefer the flat or the drum. I actually like the drum more than the flat, but you know, it's all wing meat, so it's all good either way. But I like to know which part you prefer. So I've got 9 there. Yeah, I've got 9. I'm going to put one more. I'll put 10 anyway. So there we go, a 10-piece of hot wings. This one looks a little, I don't know, maybe you got messed up at the factory or something. But anyway, we've got ourselves 10 wings. I'm going to get the dome on. I always hit buttons trying to pick this thing up. Alright, so let's turn the NuWave Primo on again. And now I'm going to up the temperature to the full 400 degrees. Top and bottom heating elements are running at 50%. And I'm going to adjust my time. I'm going to put time up to 25 minutes. I think after 15, I'm going to come and maybe do a flip or something. Maybe I'll have some good grill marks on that side by then and can flip them. So we'll try 25 minutes, and I'm going to hit start. I'll bring you back in a bit. Alright, so 10 minutes have passed, and I'm liking the sizzle that I'm hearing. I'm thinking things might already be nicely seared on one side on these wings. I want to get in here now and flip them now after 10 minutes and have a look at some of these wings. So flipping one over. Yeah, they're getting some sear on them. Look at that. That's 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 400, 50% on both sides of the heating elements. And we've already got some nice grill mark action going on. I'm going to flip them and probably give them another 10 and then start checking temperature, because I think these are going to be pretty well, you know, done in a moment. So put this lid back on here. Keep hitting the wrong button when I do that. Hit that warm button by accident. See if I can get that warm off. Okay, so we got 415 minutes left. I'm probably just going to give them, I'm going to go down to 10. Just going to give them 10 minutes and hit start. We'll see how they do after 20 minutes total, 10 on each side. Alright, we are entering the final 30 seconds here of just 20 minutes, 10 on one side, 10 on the other. You can see the grill marks on this side of the chicken. Things are sizzling pretty good, so I'm going to, as soon as time is up, get the dome off. I've got my instant read thermometer here, so I'll just pop that in, maybe, you know, test a few pieces, and we'll see how things cooked up here. So when it's done, it gives a few beeps. And so I'm just going to turn it off. And things are hot in there. So let's see what our temperature is reading. 204, I mean, they're hot. 20 minutes. This is awesome. We're in the 180s over here, 190s. This one's 175, 176. But they're all done. So Job well done by the Primo. All right, so these are some hot wings. I'm going to just get them off. You can see that other side has some searing on there. So look at that. Look at that. Look at the sear marks on there. I mean, get you closer there. I mean, this is like indoor grill for real. Didn't have any real smoke issues. There was some smoke that came out, but it was like a normal amount of smoke for cooking some wings or something. It wasn't anything bad. It was just a normal amount of smoke during part of the cook of some puffs of smoke, but it was cool. Never a concern about the smoke or anything. Have a look at those. Pretty good. So I'll get the camera adjusted, maybe give these a couple minutes to cool down just a little bit, and then we'll do a taste test. All right, here's our hot wings from frozen. Just 20 minutes in the NuWave Primo Combo Grill Oven. So look at this. Look at the sear marks on that. Let's do a taste. They're still pretty hot. I'm gonna have to be careful here. I mean, what can you say? 20 minutes from frozen, knocks the wings out. That's awesome. That's great. That's fast. NuWave Primo is doing a good job cooking up some things here. So, you know, I'd like to hear your comments, what you think about the cooker. Also, if you want this other heating instructions recipes, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Ever want to come directly to this YouTube channel, use waveovenrecipes.com, Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.